What's up, Christopher Gibson? We got a big dent here. Well, this is not so bad. Either way, this is a 2017 Ford Explorer. What I have here is a great big flat spot that I'm going to flip the camera around here in a minute, but I'm going to show you this right here. And this right here. What I did was I put some test tape on there and a piece of leather. Oh, probably 5, 6 years ago. This is one old hammer here. But I'm going to show you is the rail. Let's flip the camera around here. Now I'm hoping that I can get that flat spot in the video. Big flat spot right here. Okay, let's bring my head up a bit. Right there. See that flat spot? What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this mallet and this dent dolly inside here. I don't have I can't even be able to do it while I'm holding the phone. Get the point. Try it here. Be right back. What I do here is, since I am not left-handed and I'm on the left-handed side of the car, I put my finger here and I line up the dolly to halfway. And this one here has somewhat of a curve to it, slight curve, and this is just finishing it off. It's bringing that freaking low out of there. It would normally actually pinch it a little bit too tight here and here, but I'll just tap that, blend that right out. I'll trust the I got two hammers. I kind of like it this way. And I have my polished 200 grams. Down a little bit, and we're good to go. Again, that was an oversized dent. It wasn't a double oversized. This one here has got a crease in it. Now, if we create a flat spot here, start with the blue course, and then again, we have a flat. Comes up in here. I'll probably end up using the yellow one because I can control it better, because I know dead center is dead center on it. That's what's going to make the biggest impact. It's going to pitch that metal and pull it a lot closer toward the, just going to give that natural roll back to it. Well, I hope that helped you, buddy. Love to be down there helping you with a couple hail jobs, but don't know if it's going to happen this week. Maybe next. I have Monday and Tuesday available, and if I get a chance, I'll get down there and I'll help you out.